Yo guys, it's been a real long time. I've never made any video, and today we're gonna make video unboxing. Even though I'm a little bit tired and also like feel a little bit sad because I'm just doing careless about my internship, my first internship. But it's okay. So we're gonna open it this kind of action figure. This kind of pretty expensive, so we're gonna open it carefully. So let's see how inside of this kind of box. Let's go.
Yo!